Hello students, welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. Welcome to Saurabh Sir's classes. In our today's video, we are going to discuss some past year questions. Some past year questions from IIT JAM Geology paper. So in this video we will be discussing geology paper. So it's a very highlighted subject nowadays, very demanding subject, and a lot of students are appearing for this exam. So this is very important video for all of them, because in this video we will be giving you full solutions of past year questions. Okay, so you will be getting full solution, and along with that you will be getting the step-by-step explanations as well. This is going to be very important video for all of you, because you will be getting everything in this video what you need for this exam. So this video is not to be missed. This tutorial is for you only. So let's start the video and let's discuss the question. So the question is on your screens now. Petroleum is not commercially produced from which of the following? Krishna Godavari Basin, Kaveri Parlar Basin, Kambe Basin, or Vindhya Basin. This is a question of general knowledge, and as per the records out of the given options, Vindhya Basin is the one where petroleum is not found commercially. That is Vindhya Basins is the place where petroleum is not found commercially. Okay, so the correct option to this question will be option number D. So we can write that option D is correct. Option D is correct. So let's move to next question. Now the next question is, among the following minerals showing acicular habit is what? Kyanite, tourmaline, biotite, or is it sillimanite? So again we have to make a table for this answer. So first we will prepare a table, and with the help of that table we will answer this question. Okay, so let's make a table first. So the table will look something like this: minerals, and here it will be habits. Minerals, it will be kyanite, tourmaline, biotite, and it will be sillimanite. And the habits, it will be thin bedded, columnar, tabular, or is it acicular? So sillimanite is one of the minerals which shows acicular habit as for the following table. So we were looking for the mineral with acicular habit. So sillimanite is the correct option. So we can say that option D is correct. Let's move to next question. So the next question is, isostasy involves continental mountain belts, and the four options are compensation in, creation of, destruction of, or is it thrusting? So first we have to see that what is isostasy. Okay, so isostasy is the state of gravitational equilibrium between Earth's crust and mantle, such that the crust floats at an elevation that depends on its thickness and density. This concept is invoked to explain how different topographic heights can exist at Earth's surface. Now let me show it graphically or diagrammatically. So let me draw a graph here for it, or not a graph, a pictorial kind of representation I will be showing you. So let this be the surface. Here it is the mantle. This is crustal rock pushing downwards. This is glacial ice. This is also putting downwards. Okay, or we can show another diagram which will be looking like this. Let me draw it for you. If we draw it like this, so it will be somewhat like this. Okay, a lot of layers we have to make. Okay, so this is solid part with 5,100 kilometers. This is 2,900 kilometers. This is asthenosphere. This is crust, this part, and above it, these are water bodies and land. These are given over here. This is our mantle. This is outer core. This is the entire part is the inner core. Okay, so this part is the lithosphere, and this part is the mantle, and this part is our core. This is given not to scale. Okay, this is given not to scale. Now coming to the question of isostasy, which was given to us. Isostasy, we have already told that it is a type of compensation occurring in various part of Earth's layer. So this fact is based on if you write in quotes, mountains are compensated by masses of smaller density objects, while oceans are compensated by masses of higher density underwater. Higher density under water. This is as per Archimedes principle. So the compensation is based on different models. There are two models. First is our Ares model, and then we have our Pratt model. Okay, so the correct option to this question will be thrusting. That is Archimedes principle focus on thrusting, so the correct option will be thrusting. So we can write that option D is correct. So let's move to next question. So the next question is on your screens now. Identify the pair from the following list that is not correctly matched. So the list are caldera, stratovolcano, pilobasalt, subaerial eruption, rocky lava, fire flow, amygdaloids, filled vesicles. So for this, we have to make a table of the types of volcanoes. Okay, so let's make a table. Type of volcanoes. So type of volcanoes, we have the various types, that is strato or composite volcano, strato or composite. Then we have flood or plateau volcano. Then we have shield volcano. Then we have cinder. Then we have caldera. Then we have volcanic dome. Okay, so these are the type of volcanoes, and the products are given here. Products are more viscous lava with alternate brand of proclastic materials. With alternate brand of proclastic materials. Floods and plateaus, it will be lava flow with very widespread. It's very widespread. Then liquid lava from the central vent. Liquid lava from central vent. Then we have explosive liquid. Explosive liquid lava with small vent. Then we have very large composite volcano. Very large composite volcano. And then we have very viscous lava. Very viscous lava. And we can have another column with examples written over there. So we are making a column of examples. So this is Mount Baker, the Mount Baker volcano. We have Columbia River Plateau. For this, against this, we have Columbia River Plateau. Then against shield, we can write Hawaiian volcanoes. Hawaii volcanoes. Then we have Mount Tabor. Then we have Crater Lake. Crater Lake, and then we have monocrater. So, from the information obtained, the combination of can be seen from the table. Pilobasal subaerial eruption does not suit this given in any of this which is given in the table. So the correct option to this question will be option number B, that is pilobasalt subaerial eruption. Okay, so option B will be correct, so we can write that option B is the correct option. Option B is correct. Okay, so let's move to next question. So let's discuss the question. Wilson organic cycle in continents is initiated by collision, rifting, drifting, or is it subduction? Okay, so first we'll have to see what is this Wilson organic cycle. So let us write down what is this cycle. So the Wilson cycle is a model where a continent drifts. It's a model where a continent rifts, okay, forms an ocean basin in between. It rifts and it forms an ocean basin in between. So it rifts and forms an ocean basin in between, okay, and then begins a process of convergence that leads to the collision of two plates, and closure of the ocean, okay. So this is what the Wilson's orogenic cycle was. So it forms an ocean basin and it begins a process of convergence, okay. So this process can be shown with the help of a graph, or we can with the help of a diagrammatic representation. So let me draw a diagram. So this is a diagram. Okay, ocean from pole to pole. This is oceans from pole to pole. So after this, it can be shown that the second step would be like this. Here we have this thing, we'll continue, and this is the initiation of subduction and volcanic earth formation. Then we have like this, okay, like this. Here it's again like this. This is volcanic or collisions or subduction zones which creates protocontinents. Then it will be like this. Again, a big mass falling here, and it will be here, okay, another mass will be here. So this is the arc microcontinental collision expand protocontinents into microcontinents, okay. It will be here, and then at last it will be like this. Like this, like this. It will be like this, like this. It will be like this. It will be like this, like this. This structure. This is impending continental collisions create supercontinents. So this process has been shown, and with the help of diagram we can see easily that rifting is the correct option to this question. So we can select option B and we can write that option B is correct. Okay, option B is correct. So this is the correct option to this question, and we have discussed a lot of questions of geology from IIT JAM, and I hope that you all understood this. But still, if you have any kind of doubts or any queries regarding this, then feel free to call us or even WhatsApp us anytime at this number 9836-793-076, or you can also visit our website. It's www.sauravsirclasses.com for further information regarding Saurav Sir's classes. And for watching this video, a lot of thanks from my side. Thank you, student.